Hi guys, what's up everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I'm Disney. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting your girl. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family, and also if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing to my channel. Sorry about my voice, I have a little cold. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I achieved this simple cat look stroke Halloween makeup stroke artistic look.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment. Also try this makeup out and tell me how it goes for you in the comment section below. Also guys, if you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing to my channel, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.